got yous a private members association. Anyone who wants to come on board, you are more than welcome. But obviously the people that are coming into the sanctuary, PMA, you need to be good people. Like, you really, if you're coming on board, you need to be fucking good. You need to be honest, trustworthy. You're not going to be an arsehole and fucking break the law. You're not going down this route to be a twat. This is for the good. This is for the good. Goodness, greatness. Don't take the piss. Don't take the piss. Simple as that. Been a lot of hard work, years. You don't know how long this has taken. It needs to be used for what it's intended to. We don't want anyone abusing this. You shouldn't need to be told what's right and wrong, what's good and bad.